Today is my first video. I will guide you through my first episode of using Siemens NX. So first you need to start on the application and you click on modeling, and after that please choose datum CSYS, okay, and then click OK. So the first thing you need to do when starting create a part in Siemens, please make sure you start with datum systems, because later on you might want to move, or you might want to create another datum system with respect to this system. Okay, so first I would like to sketch on the top plane. Suppose I would like to sketch a rectangle, and I will add dimension. So please click D for rapid dimension. Suppose I choose 100, and another side 50. So when you press the keyboard, please make sure the measurement method is infer, because if you choose, suppose you choose the vertical one and then you try to measure the horizontal one, it's impossible to do so. So please choose infer. So infer, this function will allow you to create many features depend on the situation that you going to project the dimension. Okay, so please use the infer and click close, and after that please click finish. And if you want to extrude, the first thing you need to do in the extrude function, it has so many details, but I would like to start from the beginning. So for the selected curve, I would like to select on this sketch, but make sure you choose region boundary curves. There are so many options that you can choose, such as single curves, tangent curve, and also infer curve. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will explain only the region boundary curve. So whenever you create a closed sketch like this closed surface, you can choose this one, as it will create a boundary. And then, so suppose I would click on this one, and for the extrusion direction, specify the vector. I would like to choose Z axis, and for the limited, it has two options for you to choose: start and also ends. And if I want to extrude between specific values, such as from 0 to 100, or you can do such as 20 until 100. Suppose I would like to start 0 to 100, and this one you don't have to concern for the first sketch. For the Boolean operation, you will start to concern about this Boolean operation after the second or third extrusion, and it's also up to you. If you want to merge the body, for example, you can use the unite. So if you have two extrude feature and then you want to combine together, you can use the unite. And for the subtract is like you cut out some specific section of the part. And for the intersect, it's like you intersect of the extrude feature together, and then you only merge at the intersection. Okay. Next, I would like to sketch on the surface. And if you want to sketch on this specific edge of the part, please make sure you choose entire assembly, because if you choose within work path only. It will not allow you to choose the specific point or edge on this path, so please change to entire assembly. Suppose I want to start on this edge. Click no, and then for this one, let's click between 2 points. After that, click finish. Okay, suppose I want to extrude this sketch to another side, to a specific surface. So I can choose the function extrude, and then I'm going to select this curve or this sketch. However, please make sure you choose region boundary curves, because if you choose single curve, it will not select the closed loop of the sketch for you. Okay, please make sure change to region boundary curve and then click on the surface. And notice that in NX you will have vector for you to extrude, for example, which direction you would like to extrude. So for this case, it's pointing in the y-axis, so I will change to y-axis, and I would start from 0 until extend. Okay, so I will click on this surface. Or another option, you can start from 0 and then you offset from specific surface. For example, I will choose offset from select. So I will choose my endpoint here, and then I will click on minus 20, because at first I choose the y-axis, right? But if you want the offset from y-axis on the other side, it should be minus. So please choose the minus and click OK. And another function I would like to introduce is the subtract function. So if I want to cut a circle out of this part, I will click sketch, and then I will choose on plane, and I will select the surface. I will create a circle. Okay, and I will click finish, and I will click extrude. However, in Siemens you need to specify the direction that you're going to cut, so I will choose minus Z. However, this one should be positive, since if you want to extrude in the positive direction, so suppose 150. And then this one, please prefer subtract. Choose the function subtract. It's like you would like to subtract the specific section of the part. Okay. And next I'm going to explain the intersect function. Suppose this one is one body, and I would like to create another intersection. So I will sketch on the surface, and I would like to sketch on the surface. Oops, sorry, I will delete this. will choose y-axis, and I will choose none first, and then I will extrude this section. So this one would be, if you look at this coordinate system, it would be minus x. However, I will choose intersect, and I will select this body, so it will intersect each other at this part. Okay, then I click OK, and that's it for this tutorial. So now you learn how to use extrude, and in extrude I'll have explained the Boolean operation such as unite, subtract, and also intersect. Okay, thank you so much for your attention, and hopefully see you in the next video.